Off on another adventure. Where are we going, kids?
Camping!
Camping! Come with us, guys.
Take the next left, then your destination.
How far is this to Butlins?
7 minutes.
Can we go and see? Mum, so if there's a baby king, we have to change it to colour.
Yeah, right, so we have to go
Down there. Let's get back in the car.
Yeah, look, these are thingied. So not that one, it's this one.
Dale, what we're going to do now?
Build a tent.
Are you going to build it for me?
No.
What?
He says you can build a tent for me.
Wait, you got it all out? What's that bag there?
That's
The other
the windbreaker.
Okay.
I got the tent, I got the hammer. Sky, you can build it for me. Yeah. You can build it for me.
No, you're doing it.
Well, that was effort. Babe? Babe?
What?
Did you enjoy putting the tent up?
Huh?
Did you enjoy putting the tent up?
No, because it was too windy and stressful. It wasn't this stressful at home
Babe, smile.
because it wasn't windy. No, why'd you just die now? My butt is in view.
Sam, did you have fun putting the tent up?
Yeah, you blew away, didn't you, Summer?
Scarlett gave up and she's digging to Australia. You just gave up completely. Rob, babe, I think the toilets are just there. Yeah, I think the toilets are just there. Oh, do we ain't got to go far to go to the toilet. We're at Cajun tonight. Reception.
Showers. And the sinks. Hi, Summer.
How are the toilets, Summer? How are the toilets? Yeah, no. Oh, okay. It's not a bad little, hang on, it's not a bad little site to be fair. It goes all the way down there. Have a dirty hands. Let's go check the toilets out. There's your showers. And there's Devon. It's the same. There's the showers. And there's Devon. This is your urinals. Backup reception. Should we go and see how we've got tents still there? Never know.
Ain't going home.
Rain, we go to Butlands.
Huh?
So aim we book it to Butlands.
No, we're not. Most of the rides are pretty sharp.
Oh, it's still there. It's still there. Yeah, I'm thinking it might be over there. Behind that cabin is like a green building. That's a very small tent. Clubhouse. Where are we going to now? The cabin in front of us, they've got a fence, but like it's like a portable fence, or they live on the site.
Yeah, you've probably got a dog. You're allowed to bring dogs.
Ah.
You've got a dog.
So you can see the building.
Camp a lot.
See the building over there.
Oh, yeah, that's
Yeah. Could be a swimming pool. Goes down quite far, don't it?
yeah.
I thought it was only a little site.
Right.
Yeah, I think it's all done that way. Like the clubhouse and...
We'll walk down and have a look. That's the clubhouse. That's very, dingy.
Or is it like some sort of shower room?
I didn't say we showers either. I should have been listening to what your dad saying. Might have been as you come in.
Oh, yeah, it could have been actually.
I don't think that's looks like a fucking storage centre. Oh,
No, right there.
that's a toilet point and showers and that.
And there's a...
And where they get their... Oh, it is, yeah. Licensed by social.
See?
It's not open yet.
Social bar. Michigan. Something you got £49,000.
Huh?
You got 49,000.
No.
Buy that cabin just there.
Not
Oh yeah, look. That's cool, look.
Have we ever been this before?
No, you've been crabbing. Yeah. The bar is open.
Football game on.
Hey, bar is open.
Okay, we're going now. We're going to this. What? watching football.
There's a football match going on now. I'll watch it.
Let's go look inside. Let's go look at the bar.
There's no wrong in just going.
Let's go and have a drink.
Yeah.
Come on. You need Coke? You need Coke, do you?
Changed on. We need to get changed from. We need to get money out.
Ouch. These are the prices.
Is that my missing cat? So you admit that I'm looking for my cat and it's your litter. I just have that back. Why would you do that? Why do you think that just because your stupid cat ran away, you can leave garbage all over my park? It's a public park, and I take that to a telephone. Excuse me, put your dog on a leash. What? I will not ask again. Dogs are allowed on the leash. Well, I'm not trying to be mauled by your dog. She's a 3-pound chihuahua. Oh my God, forget it. And where do you think you're going?
I feel my ears freezing.
Did you enjoy your drink, Dill? Yeah. Summer, did you enjoy your little panda pop? No. No?
My camera was blue.
Oh no. It was a very basic bar. The beer didn't taste the greatest. But did you enjoy your Pepsi?
So nice. Can you enjoy a bear?
No. The beer didn't taste what it should like, and it tasted very off or stale or flat, shall I say. That's okay. This your caravan, Summer?
No.
That sounds weird. Oh, I love the caravan. She's pretty cool.
You can buy an RV, a motorhome.
Or I see what all the famous people do when they get like a bus or something.
Yeah.
And they like full on remodel it into like what you said, like a motorhome.
Yeah. Let's quickly get back to the car, and then we're gonna go to Skegness. What are we doing in Skegness? We're doing Skegness still. What are you doing in Skegness? Huh? Can we?
Good job.
Huh? Yeah.
I'm going to the tent.
Check to see the tents all there for me.
And our whole tent lifted up.
Very much looks like it's gonna rain.
If it does, we get wet. That's a bit of
Nah, we're all good. We're all good.